Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in girls who walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a little poll on my Instagram and asked you guys what you wanted to see for my next video. And I did it between a full face of Dollar Tree makeup or a get ready with me for the Ariana Grande concert. And Ariana won, but instead of doing a boring get ready with me, I came up with the idea to do a whole Ariana Grande transformation with the hair, the makeup, the clothes and all. I went out and bought clothes to fully embody Ariana Grande. We're just gonna get started with the makeup. Ariana does very simple makeup, just like a winged eyeliner, a little shimmer on the eyes, and basic foundation. So we're gonna get started with that. I'm gonna be using my favorite of all time, the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Oh, I almost forgot to prime, guys. That would have been bad. We're gonna use my favorite Benefit primer. I only put this in like my T-zone. So we're just gonna do a little chit chat while we're doing my makeup. So in literally one day, on Thursday, I'm going to be going to the Ariana Grande concert. Originally, I wasn't even gonna get to go to the concert, and I got a text from a very great friend. She had a group message with me and a couple other girls, and she asked if any of us wanted to go because one of her friends couldn't go anymore, and I was the first to reply. So I was like, this was a blessing from God. He knew I really wanted to go to this concert to see the legend Ariana Grande. And shout out to my mom for getting it for me for my birthday coming up. She's a real one. Shout out to you, Mom. I know you're watching. Honestly, I'm probably gonna cry. I'm preparing myself for that. I'm gonna wear waterproof mascara, the whole shebang. Okay, now that we have our foundation on, we're just gonna move on to the eyes. Ariana normally just does like a little light shimmer on the eyelid. I can definitely do that. If it was anything else, it would be a no, because I'm no James Charles. Ooh, that's a little controversy with him. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. We're just gonna take this little palette I have and take this little shimmer and put it on our eyelids. That looks terrible, but we're gonna keep moving on anyways. I really don't know what look I'm going for here, but it's not going great. Maybe it doesn't look as bad on the camera as it does in person, but in person. So we're just gonna slap some eyelashes on so you don't have to look at this ugly eyeliner. Okay, makeup is all done. The next step I am most excited for, that's gonna just really pull me into character, is the hair. The signature half up, half down ponytail. Okay, I will be right back whenever the hair is done, and I'm gonna do a big reveal. Okay, we're back with the signature Ariana Grande hair. I will say this look is definitely not for me, but I'm only doing this for the video. So we did little curls, we did the half up, half down pony, and I even added the Ariana Grande cat ears. Okay, we have our hair all done, we have our makeup done, we have the cat ears, and the final step to truly transform into Ariana Grande is the outfit. This entire Ariana inspired outfit was brought to you by Walmart. Walmart, feel free to sponsor me if you're watching this. The sweatshirt was only $6 I found in the men's section. And yes, these thigh-high boots are from Walmart. They were only $20. And these lovely cat ears are from Michael's. I randomly found them and they were only $5. And for the finale, we have Ariana's signature heart finger tattoo drawn on with Sharpie, of course. Thank you. Me, 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 me.
And I, oh,
I forgot to tell y'all that I'm gonna input some little clips from the concert, so enjoy those next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.